Yayemba natawulirwa yasalawe bakumba ebigambo bye bamuwulirira man Vakenzi yawandika kyawo naye nange nayimba
tuli tu omwaka nga guggwako gwali guno nga guggwako wagenda embalala okuyimba and things happened in Mbarara and because nga commotion in the industry tugamba no, this is not the Azawi we know. Tugamba at least you had at least something to explain. Azawi gutumanyi ow'eddembe ali pole tumulaba ku stage agamba kabejja w'embalala wolan.
I'm not going to say much. Nze ne muntu wa mirembe era ndowooza scandals zenfunye nnimidde ku stage okka ebizibu byonna byenfunye nze mbifunye lwakuba ndi ku stage like for as long as mulimu n'ezimu ze mutamanyi nakumanyi but nga they were really big like mess like if at all I didn't have like a very good management and like people that loved me ebyadda singa kyandyadda but nze oba oyagala okunfunamu obuzibu so ndi ne mukazi mutono nze nkyankanya ku stage yingira stage yange yingira endongo yange kubanga that is my safe place, that is my happy place, that is my solace, that is my awe wange okitegeera era entalo zonna zenfunye stage era akitegedde ti Azawi ye bw'omukyankanya ku stage bino bye bikola ki bye bino ebituukawo okitegeera so everyone out there nga gw'oleeta obuvuyo ku stage era ze by the way ebiseera ebisinga mba ngina okulinnya ku stage tugobawo abantu bonna nensigazaako DJ yekka maybe ne bakwata content wange ne bano nti abalabi simanyi bano baani newobanga oli wa security nga sikumanyi nga toli ku security yange get the fuck off my stage like I respect my job so much tisaagala kunkyakalanya nga ndi ku stage mbasaba bassebo ne bannyabo ndi mukazi wa ddembe saagala kufuna buzibu na muntu yenna bw'ondaba nga ku stage ndeka nyimbe bw'oba olina obuzibu bw'oyagala okuadressinga nange address it nga tuddize wansi ebyabaawo embalala byaggwa thank God but tonkyankanya nga ndi ku stage man don't do that
twabalaba nga mutuddeko wamu tudde mu katebe natudde mu katebe nga mulabika mu reconcile
gwe kyobamanya kyaggwa
mwava muyimba
singira mwalowulira but ebyo byaggwa saagala nabyogerako just nsaba abantu bw'olaba Azawi ku stage bambi tomukyankalanya tomumanyi
Reigi kumwenani asoko kubanga atuka kubanga to be a first time on stage.
The thing is sigana biyingiramu bino ebintu yes kyaggwa yeah
today it's your birthday
yeah yeah ndi wano ndi mukola
oli mukola owezesa emyaka mikazi
nze ne mukazi mukulu banaye mukyemba mumanya siri mwana muto kuzeemu kuna ntandisooka nga wow
wetyamukolaawo
like nkuzeemuko but sikuze nnyo naye nkuzeemuko sijja kwogera mu myaka gyange mutandike obunnemesa babba bange ate bamanyi nti ndi kito
baba you have more than one
baba aspiring kubanga ono aliwo ayinza okwokya ng'ate oli mwamubuusa nti akaze kakulu ako kabi bale ndi kito yeah but I feel good, I feel grown, I feel blessed, I feel just okuba nali simanyi nti nja kutuuka ku myaka gino gye nnina nga nina bye nnina, so kati just nebaza Katonda akutuwa obulamu n'ebirungi byonna emikisa gy'ampadde n'ebibi mbimwebaza byonna byonna nayo mbimwebaza yeebale kuba mbiyigiddemu bingi nnyo, like I'm wiser now, I am sweeter. Lati bagamba you age like what?
Wine.
Fine wine. So kati ategedde ebira Yesu mungalo.
Everyone is celebrable. We were a +1 you bigirako celebrations.
Yeah.
What are you celebrating?
Like I have a lot of things to celebrate, but for me I celebrate every day. Era nfunaamu ka space awo ngamba omwana ampeeyo ka Guinness. Nkola
Guinness sumus.
Nywa stout. Nga mpaayo stout nga kanywanga nga mukama webale. I'm a very private person nga bwe nabagambye. Sinza genda okukera ku makyanji wewe photoshoot yefaananyi kakaaga ya birthday no, but I celebrated my Saturday ways. Then spending nange ku ssente zange ntonotono nenzesaamu singa tebadde nti munkuumidde wano singa ndi Kuala Lumpur nyumira bulamu okitegeera naye munkwatidde wano singa ndiko oba Maldives naye maani nina okubonaabona n'endongo.
Gatubaliriza nakati kakubadde ndabira okukubuuza ng'omwaka gugwako buli omu ng'akola ya enda one of the bwe bali babala abantu abakoze ennyo waliwo present omwe yakubala mu bantu baatalabye nti mukoze endo salimu wagiraba that gundi nateeka nagamba takkiriza nti guno omwaka okoze ye nga talaba hard work ye yonna gye wali okoze.
There's some truth to that kubanga 2023 sata nnyo ndongo until October, was it October when ata album ya Sankofa, right? Tuli kumpi mala Peter until October when ata Sankofa the album. So like there was some truth to it, and of course I needed time. Finally, never work from lockdown until that time. So like I needed some time, like to recoup, to re-energize, to reflect, and I'm back. 2024, I have an EP, and then after an EP, I might also drop another. After the deluxe, I might drop an EP, and maybe after an EP, I might also drop like an album, a mini album. So, like, because I've been already writing music, so this time, I think even years. Even years are always my years. You can divide it by 2. So, so this time around, we are back in the game. Comment here, like Siji Wakanya, because I also knew it. So, and it's okay. Like sometimes, simply because I have a night. Never about it. Ndwawo balaba, but abasinga abaana be nnakula nabo kati baavaayo, like everyone is ayiya bulamu bajjayo family zaabwe eyo kati like waliyo generation ndala gye sitamanyi saawa zino eya Gen Z yeriyo
oba oliyizika Okay, Azawi, this song Samabe comes from your album Sankofa. You were releasing that late last year. Is it the first off video you work Cola?
Was the album? No. Nata Omwenge, Nata Outside. I think this is going to be the third one. Yeah.
How special is this song, Summer Bay, on that album?
Of course, I wanted to try out something that like would get me like a bigger reach, and also like a concept like majority of people could relate with. People more so from the outside, being that I had collaborated with an international artist, and for them, summer means everything to them. Summer means, family time, vacation time, taking a break and, having some leisure and, living life. So I wanted that kind of, texture in my music, and collaboration with somebody like Konshens, but it's so much about partying, enjoying life, summertime. So it was just a vibe, I would say, a vibration.
Well, try to manage for the first time, try to get a performing a cover bit.
I know.
But tutuuka ku kivulu somehow n'abanga akuyita but nga toli wota.
Like guchomanyi nange kyansumbuwamuko, but like I almost cancelled that show that I had in Lira. Was it Lira Kitugu? Yeah, yali Kitugu. Naye ng'olwedde abasajja baali bansasudde ssente nnyingi ate nga ne bafaanyi bange abeeyo mbaagala nnyo, I wouldn't have done such a thing. Era nagamba kuba we even tried like to find ways of getting like a chartered plane katwaleyo, naye amateeka nga gagamba nti you cannot travel domestically at night unless nga it's an emergency, and which kind of emergency can take you from Kampala to Kitugu. Like if it was the other way around, it would have made sense. Kubanga wali best services, healthcare, whatever. So nga tetusobola, so nekizibuwalamuko like I wanted, and of course some people were like, you would have cancelled that show, like that moment was one in a lifetime, but it is what it is.
But people like Konshens, we know them of doing festivals. Bakuba nnyo festivals.
Yeah.
Jamaica is full of festivals. Miami Jali is full of festivals. Does this song collab with Konshens bring you closer to such events?
Yeah, we were actually talking. Ngatanagenda, ngagamba agenda kukola tour, and once he has everything together with his team, never promoter, like he would love to bring me on board. So like it's big when you collaborate with a big artist like that. You have to take advantage of such opportunities when they arise. So anytime Waba Jump is on a tour, like Waba is on a tour, like Changunyo to jump on it because we have a song together, Nangine Funake exposure. So we didn't just do the collab like we want to take it further and further and further. I'm coming around.
We're looking at this album Sakofa koze olimba kuva. Many people do nyimba ku albums ne bakolako videos into neziva natural deaths kalamu audio. And we are into a new year. What are your plans? Are we seeing an immediate album, a chivulu, or you still shooting the videos?
So far now, what's on the plan on the agenda? We now call a deluxe, of course, like a continuation to Sankofa, the album, and I might release a single very soon from off the deluxe. Of course, I'm planning to do also remixes from the album. Yeah, Sankofa. So, and I'm gonna be traveling a lot, like try to affiliate my brand with different artists and different creators. So it's just like trying to make things bigger, broaden my career and my brand and my artistry. So it's big plans 2024. We are taking over again, of course. Yeah.
When you talk about Adlux, even the album was like you did Adlux for it, and you had so many people jumping on the deluxe you were calling.
Yeah.
Is it the same?
Yeah, it's the same thing that we're gonna do. Like kigenda kubeera rare ndowooza nze okera ku makya mmaleko omwaka nga ntadde sisingemu like because I create a lot, I've been creating like speed mine. So, and we don't want wako yasigale bafiire mu studio. Afadhali omuteeka mu bantu ne bamuwuliriza more so cities at least n'ozigyayo mu streams. Because for me right now, DJ asobola okuba set yange for 2 hours. 2 hours non-stop. And it's not just music, like it's good music. Bakwamusa, bakirita, bakutwala mutemu, bakutwalako mu reggae. Like it's the essence of having an album that you have longer times on stage. You can bargain even more. Your credibility as an artist na hiyo yakolachi ekula. So now for me nze wembeera nkedde like to like oba bakita batya to like ekigambo nkirabidde. For example, if I want to go and perform for at a festival, bajja sooka kubuuza tulageeko ki catalyst, catalog yo. Already I have 2 albums. Actually, it's 3 albums, the EP and these 2 albums. So, like Changunye Wamanya took artist how did this album do? How did this one do? What is the sound on this album? What is this album artist trying to note? Those are the conversations that make it so easy for you to be lined up on festivals. They will wrote a single. Zikati kyangu nnyo genda ku show omulemu gamanyi nze ogenda kumpa millions za 8 kubanga ku stage okugenda beerako esaawa namba ate nga nkuba CD kitegeera nga nkuba CD luyimba ku luyimba kuba nte CD oluyimba luggwa mangu kati imagine obeera ku CD for an hour kitegeera. I've just been 5 years in the industry and I can be on stage for that long. So nze nkyenyumirizaamu ekya album I don't like singles.
The Deluxe having most of they are from a Nigerian side. Maliko, DJ,
Neptune, Chike. Yeah.
And this time round, which country are we going to with this Deluxe?
Yeah, I want to go. Of course, it's still West Africa, but my eyes are on Ghana right now. Njagala nyimbe Ghana yo. So kembereyo kunda we wagwana. Kitegeera. Of course, most of the big stars are actually on a continental global level. Like omusingi bagusimibwa Ghana. Like you start from Ghana, then you spread into Nigeria, then to the UK, then to the rest of the world. So I want to go and see how things are done there. Abayimbi beyo, creators beyo, media, ebintu ebyenjawulo. And of course, Swangs also has been like trying to expand in different spaces. Of course, now there's Swangs Ghana. So like those are the things, those are the spaces that we're taking advantage of. I don't know if anybody knows the West City.
But we know we've seen just on building stages in Ghana.
Yeah.
With kids are gonna performing us. It was with kids. To be mine.
Okay, cool.
Okay. Are we right to say Azawi, you Uganda's expert when it comes to music?
I don't know. Those are names. Like I can't. This is what I dig on.
When we look at the sound you make and the lyrics, the flow.
Nze nkuba bukobi. Nze sijja kulimba. Nze nkuba bukobi. Vibe weba weri. Nze nkuba bukobi. Nina nakayimba kakado. But it's not a song that I can release now with the way that I've branded myself. But kabera mom, over if naya akaga. So then kubabukobi now empty, but of course did deliberate with the sound that I release as an artist. Kati mulimu kale bintu binga sola be releasing. Ne bwangu gamba
Have we got artists, leave alone now the Afro where we want to go, but other countries booking you or coming in to do music with you?
Yeah, we like so many countries have tried like to book me. What we said, Fiji, they wanted like to book me, yeah, but Man, Swangs enseera. Swangs ekola ki? Swangs eba eyagala ssente. Oba tolina ssente. Rwanda's tried to book me. Kenya's tried to book me. Which other country? Is it Zambia? Zambia, they've tried. Naye nga ssente ziba ntono kitegeera. But Kachenkola, like the best I can do is to collaborate with people from that side so that my audience connecting and I will enjoy that kind of channel. But I hope in the future bwebanabanga sente zeeyongedde nga n'endongo yeeyongedde okugumira kusingako wano, maybe oli ajja kutalaafiya agammanyi Azawi katumuwa emitwalo gye gy'ayagala ajja tukuba endongo kijja kijja.
With the shortest period you've been in the Ugandan industry, YouTube, you're on board for your case. Then I saw you performing with the legendaries, that's a Red Sun. Attending Collabolation, we're performing Cool Trace. Performing a Uganda Trace back to Uganda. With this, like very fast, what does it come with, or what does it mean in you as Azawi?
Nti endongo tekoma just mwana yakaise kadongo nti akadongo tekakoma ku kuyimba. Akadongo kaliko ebintu bingi nnyo. Akadongo kalimu okusula ng'otunula n'oteebaka for like a week. Kyo kiba kyojja kugwa ku muyimbi ng'amaaso gamuumyuse ever. It's because taludde okwebaka. They're always on the run, on the road to work. So also you have to be very hardworking, and nga kale waliwo time wenotuuka ng'olina okkireka obwa sitaabo ng'olina obweyambula okakkane okole omulimu gwo. Because there are times bw'obanga ennyonyi ekulese ng'olina okulinnya kaki, obudde bugenze olina okulinnya ka booda kakuyise mu jjaamu oyo kitegeera mangu. Nze mbeera siva ku booda. Actually abantu abamu tebamanyi nti mbayita naamu incognito. Zimanyi okwekweka bulungi nnyo notantegeera nakuntegeera nti nkuyiseeko. So like si just kuyimba, bintu bingi ebijja, si just for the men, si just bakyala ng'ojja ofuna ba ssente. Ebintu bingi olina okuba nga mentally oli prepared. Of course waliwo time ojja otuuka nga people don't believe that you can do certain thing, but ate nga gwe wekka omuntu yekka gwe alina okwekirizaamu, even nga ne ttiimu yegamba wano anaayitawo waneeno, naye nga gwe alina okusooka okwekiririzaamu so that n'abantu aba bakumanya nti omwana teyajja kuzanya. So it's a lot. It's energy, devotion, mental drainage. Sometimes obeera drained mentally. Kati eyo period nange yankoyamu, but ate nga nina okusigala nga nkola ekitegeera. So bw'oba omunaafu endongo si bya just kuyimba, bintu bingi.
I had friends of yours whenever working with night owl, like you sleep in the studio.
Yeah. I like working in the night because it's quiet. N'abankubira amasimu ekiro bakola ki? Bakendeera, so I'm able to concentrate n'enkola. Oba n'ogamba leero kakole kalama n'ova mu studio ng'okoze track bbiri asatu. Nate tosobola kikola misana, ojja kuba okyakola wabeere wakunkuna. Olaba Azawi Darius ayagala ki? Azawi kati mumutuuse ekitegeera. Kati imagine ade booking the session ekitegeera. So but when you work in the night no study, it's very very much easier.
You the Azawi we saw Kenzo ngakola 10 years over Eddie Kenzo, and the Azawi we seeing right now, but that time 10 years of Eddie Kenzo boli ku stage of backing up. The feel right now jowira no one could recognize into Azawi ali ku stage.
Amazima I was on that stage that day we Eddie nenga butufu nga ne bw'ojja n'osimbawo ssente zo n'oŋŋamba nti Azawi, you're gonna beat this in probably 5 years. Wallahi nga bwe bampa emmundu awo nkutte, wallahi nkukuba essasi nga nkukuba n'ofa ne kugamba mukwano toddamu kunsinikirako mannyo. That's all I can say.
With the Azawi sing now.
Yeah, so it has been a miracle. Like, the Weaverman see, like, you don't know what God has planned for you ahead. Kati myaka etaano kale tuvudde just n'okuba nti kale ndongo ngibadde mu myaka etaano, but the way the industry sees me, the way the respect people give to me, and like, man, bano abantu singa bakimanyi nti zibino bintu nali sibisuubira nako. Sometimes it's too much, it's too overwhelming, but at the end of the day, hey, what's up? Very good.
Tuli mu mood ya Samabe.
Yeah. Wadde obudde bunyongoga. Naye tuli mu mood ya Samabe. Video etufulumye leero ku ssaawa 6 kasubire. You guys have already checked it out. Yes, it's Konshens and Azawi Summer Bay Caribbean vibes. It's an amazing video. Marvin Musoke yaji shooting us on Avenue. Yeah.
Let's twogera ku eno video. You're feeling mukoze audio with Konshens. It was an exchange of data.
Yeah. Because twali in a different space. So actually initially we wanted to do a remix for 10 over 10. That'd be nice, you know. But nagamba maika tukole a brand new project with something people haven't like heard of. Nemusindikira beat ya Summer Bay, Banger Boy, the best producer we have around town right now. Yenakuba beat yo, netekako like vocals. Nemusindikira naina baby. We came back and we arranged the song, and yeah, Summer Bay na fuluma watch.
Then him dropping mu Uganda ngaze okola some different things. Kino mwali mukiplaninzeko, why was it a plus mukulaba nti at this time agenda performing mu Uganda?
Gwenze kirabika nze ndiko baba maanyi yannaza kyogero ki simanyi nze kola nali nkoze budget ngeri over nga like kuza $2,000
$2.
Yeah, ngina kufuluma wano ngine nonye Konshens jali abira Miami shooting a video.
Abira Miami in the US?
Yeah, that's where he stays. Naye raba bwangamba, hold on, there's a possibility that I might come in Uganda. Nangamba, I don't know the dates yet, but let's just keep, fingers crossed. But we wanted like to fly to Tanzania. Tanzania is very tropical, and maybe a little bit of Kenya.
With it being on the coast.
Yeah, on the coast of the ocean. So we wanted to go that side, but then time teyali eritemala because yali akwasaganya ebintu bingi in a short period. So we had to only find spaces here. We were trying shooting a video kudungu awo ne Munyonyo Speak Resort. Yeah, and shooting a video, he was very, very nice. He was very fluid and ngali smooth. Ngamugamba kino kyekiddako nakikola kino kyogenda okwambala yetetekawo mbeera like he was very professional, very kind. Like I haven't met such a big star ngali that humble, and respect to you, Konshens, wherever you are. Like I'll forever be grateful for whatever you did for me.
Everyone was yalowooza nti this him ngamaze performing wali ogenda mufuna exclusive ngagwe, but later on to realize nti abayimbi abalala bonna yabawa muli tewawulira nti your exclusivity yali escoopingiddwa.
No, it's not something we even agreed on. Si twakanyako singa twatula wansi ne muganga manyi, let's sit down, sign a contract, tulina kukola na muyimbi mulala, which would have been so selfish because why would I even do that? So I was just happy that he called. Actually, yakola na collab on. Yeah, singa about this. So like this, absolutely no problem with it. Like collaborating with different people, it's a very good thing as long as the vibration is really, why not?
bulijjo nga toneyayita mu Gaffe lwakalabye